Thanks to your support in the bravery of the Afghan soldiers, we've inflicted an incredible defeat on ISIS in Nengrahar. Last week it was Nengrahar. In the next 3 months, it's going to be all of Afghanistan. I would also like to take this occasion to say thank you to the Gold Star families. 2,298 American men and women in uniform have paid the ultimate sacrifice. This nation will always be grateful for that sacrifice, and we will always remember it. And also, 20,585 have been wounded. But since President Trump has been President of the United States, fortunately, we still too high a number, but only 52 American men and women in uniform have died. 52. Compared to thousands before, this is a tribute to our joint partnership and to the sacrifice that the Afghan soldiers, your brothers and sisters in uniform, are making. More than 1 million Americans have served here in uniform. We pay tribute to their families and to your families. I would like a special request. Please thank your families for agreeing to miss you at this special occasion at home and for being here defending United States security and our freedom. Together, we will succeed. We will never forget that 9/11 brought us, and we will never permit the repetition of 9/11 again. God bless you. God bless the President.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.